Please power on the device. Please reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds. Wait for the indicator light to flash red. Press the bell button, and tap Next. Select the Wi-Fi network you want to sync with. Please choose a 2.4G network, then enter your network password. Please remove the protective film from your camera lens. Tap Next to show your QR code, then hold the code in front of the camera lens at a distance of 5 to 8 inches. Connecting, please wait a moment.